Hi, this is M. Prasad Naidu. Today we are discussing about the disorders like parathyroid and thyroid glands. So, what are the disorders here? So, hyperthyroidism, thyroid edema, and Graves' disease. So, hyperthyroidism causes due to the presence of testosterone hormones it is like substance proved by the radioimmunoassay study, and the concentration of testosterone hormones thyroid stimulating hormones. Thyroid stimulating hormones was found less than plasma hyperthyroidism patients, and thyroid stimulating hormone substances like antibodies binds with the same membrane receptors of thyroid stimulating. These substances activate the cyclic AMP T4 tetrodotoxin. So these antibodies act as long time 12 hours. Thyroid stimulating hormones of 1 hour. So the increase the high T4 thyroxine by the suppress the thyroid stimulating hormone producing. Usually these antibodies are developed because of autoimmunity. Thyroid edema sometimes localized tumors develops thyroid tissue called thyroedema. Thyroid edema secretes the large quantities of T4 and T3. It is not only associated with the autoimmunity. As far as this edema remains active, the other parts thyroid will not secrete the hormones. This is because of hormones or adenoma depress the productions of thyroid stimulating hormones. So finally comes to the Graves' disease. So it is an autoimmune disease. Normally thyroid stimulating hormones combines with the surface receptor thyroid cells. It consists of T4, but some thyroid stimulating hormone autoimmune antibodies produced by the beta lymphocytes and plasma cells activate thyroid stimulating hormones, increase the secretions of T4. So how it is means some symptoms related about the hyperthyroidism. So intolerance of heat and due to the increases of vasometabolic rates, and increases the sweating due to the vasodilations, and decreases the body weight and fat metabolism so increases the GAT, some diarrhea, some muscular weakness increases the protein catabolism. So nervousness extreme the fatigue and inability to sleep and mild tremor, and in the hands psychoneurotic symptoms such as extreme anxiety, worry, stimulations of sinus, enlargement of thyroid gland and toxic goiter, and exophthalmos autoimmune, and some degree protrusion of eyeballs. If severe blindness develops due to the protrusions of eyeball and touches the optic nerve, and eyelids cannot be closed, dry, and infections. So hypothyroidism here we are talking about the hypothyroidism, that means thyroid hormones are decreased in these conditions. So decreases the thyroid hormones autoimmune disorders such as the destructions of gland, and in most of the patients it starts as the glandular inflammation called as thyroiditis. This thyroiditis is fibrosis of the gland, and hypothyroidism, myxedema in adults, cretinism in children. Then myxedema so where we will see myxedema in adult patients. So this causes of severe conditions of complete lack of thyroid hormones. It will decrease the thyroid hormones levels. So some signs and symptoms we will see about the signs and symptoms: swelling in the face, weakness of eyes will be weakness, and no pitting type of edema. When pressed, it is due to the not only pits edema and hard accumulations of pro-cholesterol these things, and hard tissues, and increase the accumulations of fluid and atherosclerosis, and increase the cholesterol of blood, and increase the blood pressure also. So some other general symptoms, we are talking about general symptoms in myxedema: fatigue and muscular sluggishness, extreme somnolence, menorrhagia and polymenorrhea, and decrease the cardiac functions such as heart failure, heart rate will be decreases, and force of contraction will be decreases, cardiac output will be decreasing, ultimately blood value will be decreases, increases the body weight, and constipation, here is constipation, and mental stagnation, decrease the hair growth, and scaliness of the skin, and frog husky voice. So coming to the cretinism, where we will see cretinism. Cretinism is we will see in the children's. So causes congenital absence of thyroid gland. It is genetic disorders, lack of lack of 12 in diet, like it is features like a newborn baby maybe appears normal at birth due to the supply of T4 from the mother, but after the few weeks start the developing of sluggishness and movements of crocking and should while crying, and mental retarded and skeletal growth is more affected than the soft tissues, and tongue becomes so big, so effects of swelling and breathing and stunt growth. So difference between the cretinism and dwarfism. So we're talking about the cretinism and dwarfism. Cretinism in mental retardation, and dwarfism is developmental nervous system. Like nervous system is normal. So dwarfism is mental system is normal. So cretinism is mental will be retarded. So coming to the cretinism, difference part is disappeared. So difference like means disappeared means so disproportionate, like a disproportionate means the abnormal things. So here is dwarfism means proportionate means increases. So some reproduction will be is affected. Here is cretinism, some reproductive system will be affected. So but dwarfism condition it is normal. So coming to the goiter, enlargement of thyroid gland occurs both in hyperthyroidism and hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism. Goiter is a hyperthyroidism condition, toxic goiter due to the tumor of the gland size will be increases. Now like the number of hormone secreting cells, hormones or levels toxic goiter, and goiter in hypothyroidism in non-toxic goiter only enlargement of gland hormone secretion will be decreases. So what we will calling about goiter, the based on the cause of non-toxic goiter is two types, and like a endemic colloid goiter, and due to the lack of 12 to 12 minus 2 intake of 50 milligrams per day. Therefore, formations of hormones by the feedback mechanism, hypothalamus and anterior pituitary are stimulated. This increases of secretions of thyroid releasing hormones and thyroid stimulating hormones secretion the thyroid globulin follicles, as there are no hormones to be cleaved by increasing the accumulations in the follicles. Therefore, increasing the size of the gland. The space apples like and is great the regions of US and India, like Kashmir Valley, the soil is not good, less than 12. So therefore, food stuff will be lack of 12 very common before the introductions of iodized salts. So idiopathic and non-toxic goiters. So enlargement of thyroid gland occurs in without 12 deficiency. So exact cause of unknown, not known, but these patients are first affected thyroiditis, which reduces the synthesis of thyroid hormones. Therefore, secretions of thyroid stimulating hormones increases, so increases the size of the gland. And in some persons of the abnormal enzyme systems to the goiter due to the deficiency of enzymes like peroxidase and iodinized like deiodinase, which are required synthesis of T3 and T4s. So iodinized and non-iodinized like goiter like substances and goiter, the goitrogenesis and goitrin that contains anti-thyroid substances like profile like thiouracil. Therefore, the thyroid stimulating hormone increases the secretions of enlargement of thyroid gland. Goitrogenesis, and in terms like chips cabbage of soya beans, the goitrogens become active during the low 12 intake. So how means the treatment, coming to the treatments of thyroid disorders, the treatments of hyperthyroidism, surgical removal and thyroidectomy, so and anti-thyroid substances like thiocyanate, like thiourenil, and high concentration of inorganic iodines. Treatments of hypothyroidism, that means decreased conditions of thyroid hormones. So only treatments of administration of thyroid extract with the like injections of purine, like pure thyroxine tablets. So anti-thyroid substances, so drugs which suppress the secretions of T3 and T4, and thiocyanate. This is the one of the drug will give the same act to the pump which is transport one thyroid cells and transports thiocyanate, like also so thiocyanate like completely inhibits the 12 transport. The 12 transport is inhibited. So decrease the synthesis of thyroxine. So thiourenils. So thiourea related about substance of example profile thiouracil, and methomazole prevent the formations of T4 and iodized tyrosine. Like this is achieved by the block of peroxidase activity and partly by the blocking coupling and MIT and monoiodothyroxine and diiodothyroxine. During the use of these two anti-thyroid agents, even though synthesis of thyroid hormones inhibited and the formations of thyroglobulin is not stopped, the deficiency of hormones of thyroid increase the synthesis of thyroid secretion, increase the size of gland, and with the more secretion of thyroid globulin, the thyroid globulin accumulations in the gland enlargement to finally produce the non-toxic goiter. So high concentration of inorganic iodates all phases the thyroxine activity will be decreases and decrease the release of thyroxine, decrease the size of the decreases, and blood supply is decreases. Therefore, the iodates are frequently administered to hyperthyroid patients. So thyroid function test. So we all know thyroid function test. The most accurate diagnostics directly measured like measurements of concentration of free thyroid hormones in the plasma T3 and T4. Measurements of basal metabolic rate increase in the hyperthyroidism increases to 30 to 60% and increases the talking about the hypothyroidism decreases the 20 to 40%, and measurements of thyroid releasing hormone and thyroid stimulating hormone. Hyperthyroidism is total absence in thyroid releasing hormones and thyroid stimulating hormone due to the feedback of mechanism in the increases the level of thyroid hormones. So we will talking about the T3 and T4 hormones and thyroid functions and the thyroid abnormal condition and thyroid function tests. So we'll conclude about this thing. Thank you.